Welcome to this video on governance, risk, and compliance, or GRC, in cybersecurity. Technical skills are essential, but GRC provides the structure and strategic direction for mature security programs. We will cover key frameworks like NIST, ISO 27001, SOC2, PCI DSS, risk management, and security policies. GRC is the foundation of structured enterprise security, ensuring programs are governed, risk-aware, and compliant. Governance establishes security leadership and defines strategy. Risk management identifies threats and prioritizes efforts. Compliance ensures adherence to standards and legal obligations. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework offers structured guidance for managing cyber risk, built around 5 core functions. These include: identify your assets and risks, protect by implementing safeguards, detect security events, respond by containing and acting, and recover to restore operations. ISO 27001 is a globally recognized standard for information security management, providing a framework for an information security management system, or ISMS. This process involves identifying risks, implementing appropriate security controls, monitoring effectiveness through audits, and continuously improving the security posture over time. SOC2 is a compliance standard primarily for SaaS companies and cloud providers, demonstrating trust and security maturity. It focuses on the 5 trust services criteria: security, availability, processing integrity, confidentiality, and privacy. The Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS, mandates how organizations must protect credit card data and cardholder records. Non-compliance can lead to serious financial and reputational damages. Key controls include encryption, access control, network security, and incident response. Risk management is about prioritizing defensive efforts based on likelihood and business impact, as you cannot eliminate all threats. The cycle involves identifying assets and threats, assessing their likelihood and impact, prioritizing by severity, and mitigating or allocating controls. Security policies define the rules and procedures for cybersecurity operations. They standardize practices, reduce human error, and establish accountability. Examples include policies for password and access control, acceptable use, incident response, and remote and cloud security. Cybersecurity is a business challenge, not just a technical one. Executive leadership requires security teams to measure risk and demonstrate compliance. This involves technical defense, using governance frameworks, conducting risk analysis, and managing compliance. Key takeaways include that GRC is vital for blue team professionals to align security with business objectives. We reviewed NIST's 5 functions: ISO 27001's ISMS, SOC2's Trust Framework, PCI DSS mandates, and the importance of risk management and security policies. Our next video will cover the future of blue teaming.